Nation website run by volunteers says it's hiding nothing with its name.
The pro-vaccination side, the issue of the benefits of vaccination is available everywhere. Our information is harder to find, so we fill a gap, and we've always said that.
Yesterday, the Administrative Decisions Tribunal ruled the group must change its title on the grounds of it being misleading. Meryl Dorey, the former president of the group, says it's being unfairly sanctioned.
One, it's a freedom of speech issue. Does the government have the right to tell us what we have to call ourselves? You know, if he wants to say that my name is actually Mary, not Meryl, does he have the right to say that?
And claims if forced to change its name, the network's information will be less readily available.
Right now, our domain, avn.org.au, is very easy to find. When you type in the word vaccination, it comes up number 1 or 2 on Google searches.
The organisation has 28 days to lodge an appeal against the ruling, something it's seriously considering after it's consulted its 2,000 members. Camilla Campbell, NBN News.